Yes. See fish them here, people. Fry me, I fry them, you know. A fish fry now. Fish fry. See it there? Look there. Whoa. Whole lots of fish. Whole lots of fish. You see them? Whole heap. Whole heap of fish. See pot on the fire there? See it there? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. God bless this morning. Him wake me up, you know. So me I do my fish fry and I'm blessing. And anybody who come out and can eat fire fish. Me have goated soup. Me have curry crab. And me have pork, jerk pork. And me have all kind of things me have. I do it, you know. Me I do it, you know. God bless me, I do it under sea soup, yeah. Me have fish soup. And me have goated soup. Me have fish soup. See there? Goated soup that. That a goated soup. This a fish soup. That a fish soup, right? Fish, goated. Right? Curry crab. Curry crab. Curry crab. Yes. Goated. The goated soup a bubble. Fish soup a guan. Curry crab. Yes. You see it a blessing, you know. A blessing see you, man. Eat and drink a blessing, me say, man. Eat and no drink. See him we a blessing. It's a blessing, you know? Yeah, man. So, Clair are doing thing 1 and 2, you know? Me a video it and go and subscribe. Eh? Yeah, man, they go cut up green banana, everything in it. See there? Roast fruit. Everything and everything. Everything and everything, you know? Yeah. Thank you, Jesus. It's in the first week. Yeah, man. Second fish. Yeah, man. Yeah. And then it's already. We are doing it in. We have to do it in, you know. Yeah, man. A blessing, you know. In there. A fry. Yeah. We are frying. A fry, we are frying, man. Yeah, man. Let them go and fry. Yeah. Yeah. Ah. In there. In there. Yeah, man. Fish same way. We are doing with fish. We are dope with fish. We are dope with fish. And a blessing. And a blessing. Yes. Now go cut up its season, it thing you know, the green banana. I go cut up some green banana now. I go cut up some green banana now, yeah. Alright. Thank you.